in a frictionless environment. And so why does it keep spinning? And that's where your torsion and torque comes in. I modified Einstein's field equation to show that space-time has a fundamental spin in it, has a fundamental torque. And it continuously spins. The vacuum, as the atom feeds energy from the space-time manifold, from the vacuum, it sucks it in and it spins it, just like water going down the drain. So you can actually look at any system that way. I'll give you an example of the error that was made. Take, for instance, a hydroelectric dam. Okay, now we'll take Newtonian physics and we'll look at it the way, it's written, and that is that at the beginning of the statement of entropy and thermodynamics and laws of motion, it says within a closed system. So, right away, you got to make a box, and typically the box is going to be the lake with the water in it, the dam with the turbines in it, and the water coming out the bottom with the river. And so they cut the box there, and then they go, okay, the water has a gravitational potential above the dam. It falls through the dam into the turbines. It gives up its gravitational potential, and we produce electricity, and with some entropy, we don't get all of the gravitational potential out, and the water comes out at the bottom of the dam and goes down the river. The problem with that view is that when you look up the first statement in those laws within a closed system, you look that up in a physics dictionary, it will say no such thing has ever been found, because everything is in constant relationship with each other. Mm-hmm. And so since that's not real, let's open the box. Let's make the box one box bigger. We'll make the box around the Earth. And now we're going to look at the system. The water is at the top of the dam in the lake. It goes through the turbines. We produce electricity. It comes out of the river. And now we're going to follow it. It goes along the river. And because the Earth is turning, and because the sun, shines on the water, and because there's Coriolis effect in our weather system as the result of the Earth spinning, the water goes back up into the clouds and gets driven up through Coriolis effect towards the North Pole or the South Pole, depending which hemisphere you're in, and then it rains back at the pole, and it starts going down towards the equator again, which will fill your lake back up. Mm-hmm. So in your equation for entropy, you have to include the fact that nature is putting the water back into your lake, and that's not costing you anything. Mm-hmm. And so now the circuit is closed, and now you look at your turbine in the middle, and even if you took 1 watt out, just 1 watt, it would be over unity, because you're not putting energy or doing anything to get the cycle of water to go through. And so you are pulling energy from a natural cycle. And, the thing is that you would have to say, well, that's the box that encompasses the Earth. Well, then you'd have to look at the larger box. The Earth is spinning because our sun is spinning. And then the larger box, the sun is spinning because it's inside the galaxy. And then the is spinning because...
Yes. Well, Nassim, we have to take a break right now with this fascinating discussion. My guest is Nassim Haramein, and we're talking about his latest work, in torque and Coriolis effects. And we'll be right back. Hello, everyone. This is Bill Alec. In this new book that just premiered at the Academy of Arts and Sciences in Hollywood, California, delves into our connection with human-appearing extraterrestrials. In Prepare for the Landings, authors Michael Ellegion and Aurora Light go into their long-standing contacts and what's in store for all of us here on planet Earth. In Prepare for the Landings, you will learn why this planet has been quarantined and how the ET connection to the Bible and other ancient writings has been deliberately suppressed. Go to prepareforthelandings.com and prepare yourself for the coming shift of the ages taking place right now. That's prepareforthelandings.com. Get your copy today and don't be left behind. Go to prepareforthelandings.com. Hello, everyone. This is Bill Alec, and I'd like to say a few words today about channelforthemasters.com. Michael Ellegion provides a direct voice channel to such entities as Ashtar, Archangel Michael, Saint Germain, and many others. He also provides full life readings for the star people and the light workers. And his website again is channelforthemasters.com. And I know Michael's been doing this work now for over 30 years. And again, his website is channelforthemasters.com. This is Bill Alec, and you're listening to the Progressive Technology Hour. And my special guest today is Nassim Haramein, and we're talking about closed systems. And folks, they're not really closed, in physics. And there's really no such thing as a closed system. And I'm talking with Nassim about, how we analyze extracting energy, from a dam, water, flowing over a dam here and spinning generators and extracting energy. And, when you start to analyze this system, it's really an open system. And, Nassim, are you there?
Yeah. I am, and as I was saying, because the Earth is spinning, the sun is spinning, and it's inside the galaxy